Dimension Annotation Module Function Introduction. Modify Dimension Style. Style Replacement. This command replaces dimension styles drawn at different scales within the same drawing. Click the Style Replacement function. Select the dimensions to replace the dimension style. Right-click to bring up the program dialog box. Select the desired new dimension style from the drop-down list and click OK. Dimension Style Replacement completed. Move Dimension Value. This command moves the text of dimension values. Click the Move Dimension Value function. Select the dimension to move the text. Specify new location for dimension text. Dimension text move completed. Change dimension value. This command edits existing dimension values in the drawing. Click the Change Dimension Value function. Select the dimension to modify the annotation value or restore the original value. Enter the new dimension value. If you previously modified it, pressing Enter will restore the original value. Dimension value modification completed. Check original value. This command identifies dimensions whose values have been modified. Click the Check Original Value function. Select the dimensions to check the original values. If any dimension values have been modified, the program highlights them with a red rectangle. Original dimension value verification completed. Delete checkbox. This command removes the red check frames displayed during the original value verification. Click the Delete Checkbox function. The program automatically deletes all the red check frames in the drawing. Checkbox deletion completed. Convert dimension to text. This command converts the dimension line indicating negative reinforcement length into numerical text. Click the Convert Dimension to Text function. Select the dimension line to convert to text. Right-click to proceed. Dimension to text conversion completed. Dimension Value Filp. This command corrects reversed dimension text. Click the Dimension Value Filp function. Select the dimension to reverse the text. Right-click to proceed. Dimension text flip completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.